Well, hi everybody. It's time for another progress report. It's Sunday, 13th of September, and we are nearing completion on this project. Looking really forward to moving in. We can see it now. We are down to a little punch list that we're working on to finish up the last of the oddball things that are left over. We've got paint coming in tomorrow, and we have gone through the house and marked with little pieces of blue tape all over any little dings or scratches that we can find to bring to the painter's attention so they can go ahead and do the touch-up tomorrow. So by tomorrow evening, this place ought to be just totally Bristol and perfect and ready for move-in. Plumbing is finished. All the fixtures are in and everything's working. The appliances are starting to come in. I've got the stove and the dishwasher installed so far. Refrigerator comes tomorrow, hopefully, and microwave, we don't know when it's coming. But that's okay, that's what we needed first. So I don't know. Anyway, the glass guy came in and put in the shower doors and the glass inside the doors of the cabinet here in the kitchen. And he's got one more little project to do. He's got some glass that he's going to put in a pocket door for the washroom, where the washer and dryer are. And that will allow some light to come out or go in, but still be able to close the door for noise, to keep the noise from going into the bedroom while the washer and dryer is running. So the furnace guy's got to come out and hook up one little pipe in there. They got all the gas connections made inside. Still waiting on the gas company to come and hook up our meter. So really, that's kind of holding us up from moving in right now, waiting on gas, because we don't want to have to go take cold showers and not be able to cook on this new stove we've got here. I can't wait to play with it and crank it up. It's got two ovens in it, and the top one is actually a broiler. So we intend to make good use of that. And when all this quiets down and I've got some time on my hands, hopefully I can go catch some fish to cook in the broiler. So I'm looking forward to that. The gutters got installed Saturday while the glass guys were here. And so we've got gutters all the way around the house and got some nice downspouts coming down, all big heavy duty stuff. And I've got to dig a trench over on the side of the house, put in a drain to get the rainwater out to the canal. The houses are real close together, and so by city ordinance you can't dump your rainwater onto your neighbor's property. So you got to be real careful about what you do with the rainwater. So we're in the front, we're pushing it out to the street, and in the back we're going out to the canal, which is what you're supposed to do to be considerate of your neighbors. The movers are now scheduled for, I believe, the 24th. They're going to come and spend the whole day moving all of our Houston furniture and stuff from the storage shed to here. And yeah, they know it's upstairs. So that's going to be a haul, especially the wash machine. That's probably the heaviest thing. But yeah, all the furniture is going to come in. We're going to have all these boxes everywhere. And we are going to spend the next month or so unpacking boxes, trying to figure out what goes where. Do we want to keep it? Do we want to get rid of it? That kind of stuff. So we'll be busy with that in the near future. But we've finally got the cardboard off the granite here. We were protecting this, but now that most of the work's done, I was able to take the cardboard off and really appreciate this beautiful piece of granite that we've got on the island. It's really nice. It's called Acadian Nights. And between this and my cypress mantle that I built, that kind of shows some of my Louisiana ties. Anyway, like I said, we are just about done, and looking forward to wrapping up this punch list this week and signing the final paperwork and writing that last big check to get this job finished up, and we're going to start moving in. So I'll talk to y'all next week and let you know how it went. So far so good. We are really feeling blessed right now with all this other stuff, and it turns out that you know, with the pandemic and having to stay home, it has been good for us in that we were able to stay here and stay focused on this project, and this is I guess our season for building this house and getting this work done, getting all of our stuff consolidated into one place finally, and really getting some roots down into a community. So we're looking forward to that. But like I said, we are both feeling very blessed to have such a good contractor, and we had great weather. Everything just kind of fell into place. This is going to be a beautiful home when we're done. So that's it for this week, and I'll talk to you next Sunday and let you know how we're doing. See you later.